Hello everyone. This is Group One. This is Group One. So, the company that we chose is Brew and Bliss Cafe. So we are here to tackle about the micro and macro environmental factors that in this company has. So first is the micro environmental of Brew and Bliss Cafe is first is suppliers. So the coffee depends on the suppliers for coffee bean, milk, and other ingredients. So it means that ang impact daw nila is if ang supplier is mag-deliver on time and maintain the quality, the cafe can consistently satisfy its customer. However, na-delay sa price and increase from supplies and can negatively affect the operation. So, sige. Ikaw na, Ari.
Micro-environmental factors customer. Loyal customers provide steady income and promote the cafe through word of mouth. Sa isa ka business, ang customer is isa gyud nga impact sa isa ka business ang customer kasi diha nagtuyok ang negosyo sa isa ka customer kay ang isa ka customer nga loyal kay tungod sa ilang example sa lasa o mga consistent sila sa mga kuan, like mga sa timpla, and some sa factor sa competitors. Competition from other coffees or fast food chains can reduce customers traffic, but at the same time it pushes the business into innovative, improve its products and provide better services.
Macro-environmental factors. Economic factor, inflation. Rising prices of raw materials like sugar, milk, and coffee beans can increase the coffee's cost. This might force the coffee to increase price, which could affect customer demand. So, when the prices of ingredients like sugar, milk, and coffee beans go up, the cafe spends more to cover costs. It might raise its price, but this could make some customers buy less. Social factor, health trends. Many people are becoming health conscious. This can be a challenge but also an opportunity. The cafe can offer healthier options such as low sugar drinks or organic coffee to attract health conscious customers. So, more people today want healthier choices. This could be a challenge if the cafe only sells sweet drinks. But it's also an opportunity by offering low sugar or organic coffee. The cafe can attract healthier conscious customers. Technological factor like delivery apps. Online delivery apps like GrabFood or Foodpanda allow the cafe to reach more customers conveniently. However, the commission fees of these platforms may lower the cafe's overall profit. So, delivery apps like GrabFood or Foodpanda help the cafe reach more customers easily. But since these apps charge high commission fees, the cafe profit can become smaller.
Conclusion. In summary, both micro and macro environmental factors have a big impact on businesses. The micro environment includes in suppliers, customers, and competitors that directly influence daily operations, and meanwhile, macro factors like the economy, society, and technology shape the overall environment where the business operates. Kung ako akong nasabtan, sa isa ka negosyo dapat need yun nila masabtan ang micro ug macro para dili lang makaiwas sa problema kundi makatabang pod ug makahatag og bag-ong opportunity sila ha. Then og makasabay pod sila sa panahon ug sa mga trends na makakompete sila sa competitors. That's all. Thank you.